Tesla just ordered 9 more Giga Presses for vehicle casting for this year. We've learned that Tesla is today capable of producing just over 1 million cars a year already. Each another press can make 170,000 cars a year. 9 times 170,000 equals just over 1.5 million cars a year. In China, there is a huge demand for Tesla. Whenever a Tesla shop opens, all other car brands are facing big sales drops. And there is plenty of space for more Tesla shops in China. The Tesla stock hovers around $670 at this time. Assume that by producing 1 million cars, the stock is priced at $670, we can say that making 2.5 million cars a year, the stock price should grow by the factor 2.5, which means Tesla stock could hit around $1,600 as soon as the Giga Presses are in full use in few months. This should explain the tweet by Elon Musk we made another short about, link in the description. Get ready for a furious stock price rally within weeks for Tesla as soon as the Wall Street and investors get this information, which hasn't been communicated officially by Tesla now. Tesla is also in talks about a factory in Great Britain.